So, hello everyone. My name is Rahul More and I am a first year MBA student at Sanjeevani University. Today I am going to talk about a very important uh, topic from subject human resource management on the topic of bias in performance appraisal. That's causes and solutions variation 69. This topic is very important because performance appraisal is directly affect employee growth, motivations, and fairness at the workplace. Then understanding performance appraisal bias. Let's first understanding what bias in the performance appraisal. Hello everyone, my name is Rahul More and I am a first year MBA student at Sanjeevani University. Today I am going to talk about a very relevant and important topic from our subject human resource management on the topic of bias in performance appraisal and its causes and solution variation 69. This is a very important topic because performance appraisal is directly affect on the employee growth, motivations, and fairness at the workplace. Then understanding performance appraisal bias. Let first understanding what bias in performance appraisal means. It refers to unfair or inaccurate evaluations of employees, often caused by personal opinions or unconscious preference. Then there are many types of bias such as halo effect, where one halo bias means where one good quality overshadows all the others. Then horn effect, one negative traits leads to a poor overall rating. Then recency bias, focusing only on recent performance, and strictness bias, some managers are too soft or too harsh. For example, an employee who recently made a simple mistake might get a lower appraisal even if their past performance was excellent. That recency bias in action. Uh, then a bias reduce trust in the system and affect employee morale. Then causes of bias in appraisal. First one is first. So now let's talk about what bias this bias. What causes of this bias? Uh, some some common causes include first one is lack of training for evaluators. Then personal conflict. Then unclear appraisal criteria. Then cultural or gender stereotypes. Then over independence on subjective judgment. When uh, then uh, when manager are not trained properly, they might unknowingly use their own opinions instead of fair measurable data. For example, a manager may favor employees who share similar interests or backgrounds, given them better rating, even if other performance equally well. Then next one is solutions of reducing bias. This is a very important point. Fortunately, there are many solutions to reduce bias in the appraisal. There are some effective strategies. First strategy is use standardized appraisal form. Then training manager to recognize and avoid bias. Then 360-degree feedback, taking input and peer subcoordinators and supervisors. Then data driver evaluation with KPIs. Then frequent performance check in instead of one of annual review. For example, company like Adab have replaced traditional appraisal with regular performance and check in with which help reduce recency bias and create a continuous feedback culture. Then technology can also help using various types of software that tracks goals and performance data make the process more objective. Then why tackling bias matters. Then bias pre appraisal are crucial for a healthy workplace. They ensure that employees are Employees are rewarded based on the true merit, not on assumption or preference. So fair appraisal leads to pairs of approval leads to higher employee satisfaction, lower turnover rates, better talent development, strong organizational culture. When employees trust the appraisal system, they stay motivated and engaged. So let's now about conclusion. So conclusion. So let's quickly recap. Bias in performance appraisal is a real issue that affect fairness and motivations. It is caused by human error, lack of training, and subjective judgment. But with the proper tool and training and fair system, we can overcome these challenges. So performance approval is not just a formality, it is a powerful tool to grow people and organizations. As a future manager, let's aim to create a fair and unbiased evaluation system for everyone. So thank you for listening.